If you are a homeowner, you've probably noticed in the last few years that your home insurance has gone up a pretty good amount. If not, you've been lucky. But if you're one of those many that have seen those increases, the industry has been dealing with this for the last several years, the increase in inflation, the increase in natural disasters, and it's just caused the cost of your home insurance to go up because everything associated with your home insurance policy goes up either by inflation, from the cost of the materials or the cost to repair it, or it goes up as a result of claims. So let's talk about some of the biggest discounts to help combat these rate increases on your home insurance. I would say the biggest discount you can probably have on your home insurance is your roof. That's right, your roof. It is probably going to give you the best discount by having a newer roof. Why is that? It's because the majority of claims come from windstorms, thunderstorms, hailstorms. Those cause damage to roofs, and usually a roof is not cheap, so there is a lot of expense to fixing or replacing a roof, which, guess what, causes insurance to go up over time because of the frequency of the claims and the cost to fix those damages. So if you have a newer roof, there's a good chance that the damage is going to be a lot less to that roof if there is some higher winds, especially if you have shingles. Shingles, you have high winds, they take damage, they lift, and over time, as they get older, they wear out and they get damaged. While they may get damaged more heavily from a severe windstorm than a metal roof, there's not really a difference price-wise in having a metal versus shingle roof. But what I will say is companies have been a little bit more lenient on the age of a metal roof versus the age of a shingle roof as far as underwriting goes and their eligibility in different home insurance products. But right now, if you have a 15-year or newer roof, you are able to typically get a replacement cost coverage for that roof with most companies. And if it's over 15, there's not too many that I know of that will offer a replacement cost on the roof itself. But again, that 15 years or newer is going to get you the replacement cost on the roof, but it gives you a bigger discount the newer that roof is. So that's probably what the biggest discount you can get on your home insurance. Now, this next discount for your home, it's pretty obvious. You hear it all over the place, and it is probably going to give you probably right up there with the age of the roof. Maybe even a little bit more, just depends on the company. But if you bundle your policy, your home and your auto together in the same company, that will probably give you a really good discount on that home insurance. So if you don't have your home insurance bundled right now with your auto and you've been seeing those rates go up on your home, trying to get those bundled with the same company might help you out. It doesn't always, but it might help you be able to lower that home insurance premium if you've seen a pretty good increase here recently. Here's one thing that a lot of people don't realize. Whenever you're going to get a quote, a lot of people like to wait till the last second before their policy renews to get a quote. But a lot of these companies offer an advance quote discount. So that can be anywhere from 1 day to 15 days usually. There's a lot of companies around 7 or 8 days is kind of their sweet spot. They'll offer a better discount if you get a quote on your home 7 or 8 days before it needs to be effective. So if you are looking to shop your home insurance, you really need to do it a little bit in advance to make sure you can get this added discount on your quote. One of the other discounts that you can receive on your home insurance policy is the way you pay your premiums every year. If you pay monthly, set it up on auto deduct. That'll be a little bit better of a discount than if you pay it in the mail. But if you can pay that in full, that will get you the biggest discount on your home insurance policy outside of the others. So if you can pay that premium in full, and if you don't have to escrow, a lot of companies don't offer as big of a discount if you escrow. Some do. It can be the same discount as if you paid in full, but there are several companies that if it's escrowed, it's not as good of a discount as if you paid it in full out of your bank account or your credit card every year, and then also setting that up on auto pay every year for the full year is going to be probably your biggest discount you can get on your home insurance policy. And to wrap it up, there's probably a few other little things that you can do or you can have on your home insurance policy as far as a discount that maybe give you a percent or two here and there. One of those is having a monitored security system. Most companies do offer you a couple percent to have a monitored security system. And that is typically has to be more than just a smart security system. To get the biggest discount from most companies, you have to have a security system that has a third party that monitors it. That is like a paid service that monitors your security system for you. And the same goes with like your burglar alarm, your fire alarm. All that has to be a monitored system to get the biggest discount. There are a few other little things like a water shutoff valve or water shutoff device that can get you another discount. But those security features are another little discount. There's several different ones. Different companies offer different types related to that. But that's going to get you another little extra, discount on your home insurance if you have those in place.